Take the front camera, align it with the front camera B2B connector on the PCBA, and fasten the front camera. Take the rear cameras and fasten their B2B connectors. Take one white coaxial cable and one black coaxial cable. Install the coaxial cable connectors to the PCBA and sort the cables along the cable groove. Take one piece of the rear camera conductive fabric. Align the conductive fabric for the rear cameras with the shielding frame and attach the fabric to the shielding frame. Align the top of the PCBA with the positioning rods and insert and install the PCBA into the rear cover. Install the front camera to the PCBA. Align the upper speaker with the positioning rod on the rear cover and install the speaker in place. Install the front camera B2B connector steel sheet and fasten the silver screw. Use the plastic tweezers to clamp the handle on the speaker FPC. Fasten the speaker FPC ZIF connector and close the ZIF connector cover. Align the rear camera with the positioning hole and press the rear camera vertically. Take the conductive fabric for the rear cameras and attach it to the rear cameras. Take the Wi-Fi antenna support, insert and fasten the buckle at the top of the support into the rear cover. Then fasten the buckle on the left side of the support. Fasten the 3 black screws and 1 white screw in the position shown in the figure. The PCBA is now installed.